Good morning, children. Today we will start the new topic, potential energy of spring. Spring we have seen previously. Spring is also called helical spring. When external force will be applied on the helical spring, then a restoring force acts in opposite direction. That is also called a spring force. So see what is its concept. Potential energy of spring. Potential energy of spring. This is a helical spring. It is helical spring. It has certain property. When external force will be applied on this spring, there will be expansion in the spring, but a restoring force acts on the spring. A restoring force acts on the spring in opposite direction. This is also called a spring force. When external force will be released, again it regains its original position. So initially there was no expansion. Here x was 0, but when external force will be applied, there will be expansion, that is x. So x is equal to x. Spring force means this restoring force is a conservative force. Means conservative force do not depend on path. It only depends on initial and final position. So if you apply external force, there will be restoring force, and due to restoring force there will be work done, and this work done will be stored in the spring in the form of potential energy. So let us see. When external force will be applied, external force will be applied, there will be expansion, so work will be done, which will be stored, in the spring, in the form of potential energy. This force, spring force, is a conservative force. It is a conservative force, and this force is also a variable force. So small work done is equal to dW is equal to integration f dx. Initial it was x equal to 0, and finally it is x equal to x. This will be also integrated. That is equal to W F. We can write here minus kx dx. Previously we have done this one, where k equal to a spring constant, minus k, it is a constant quantity, integration 0 to x dx, that is equal to x square by 2, 0 to x, it is equal to minus k, that is equal to minus k x square by 2 minus 0 square by 2. Then work done will be equal to minus half kx square. This is the work done, minus half kx square. We are knowing potential energy is equal to minus of work done. Potential energy is equal to minus of work done. So minus half kx square, then it will be equal to half kx square. This is the potential energy of a spring. Potential energy of a spring is stored in the spring, means work is done by the spring due to restoring force or a spring force, and this energy is stored in the spring in the form of potential energy, where K is called a spring constant. Now, this is the energy, potential energy, and this is equal to half kx square. When we draw the graph between potential energy and x, then this is a constant term, this is a square function graph, so its graph will be like that. Its graph will be like that. This is the potential energy. Similarly, this is the mean position. When it will be compressed, then again graph will be like that. This is the potential energy.